Good day, guys. I want to show you guys how I took this to today. I was on the 12th of January. Also this one also today, but I break even on this trade like little bit below my entry. And market, took me out. It's always. I took this trade because this sell because there's other block right here and market shift occur. And also market shift occur right here again. That's why I place my order. Market move like one ratio 3 or something. I have to break even because this is the uptrend. Gold is right now in uptrend. Like I don't know what's gonna happen is that's why I break even. And I sold this trade because of this half retracement. This half retracement, I thought no market will not take it around. Retrace to the other floor because there's I mean sorry, there's breaker block right here. There's breaker block right. I thought no market will not retrace back to this area. And market might still go back there. Market might still go back there. Market might still go back. So we don't know what's gonna happen next. I must still buy gold right here. I must still buy gold right here. Like if market retrace back to this wake up block. Let me show you guys how I took this trade. It's a good thing to ended your previous week in profit and start your new week with profit as well. It's a new thing, like it's a normal thing. Like so, if you follow your rules, if you follow your rules. So let me show you how I took this trade. No, I took this trade because of this no reaction. I made this trade around this area. I made this trade around this area. When I wanted to do my analysis in London session this morning on Monday. I was like, okay, I think I need to figure out what market I've been doing. So I stepped down to 1 minute. I did all this analysis in 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I figured out this other flow. And it caused a market shift right here. Market shift occur right here. And market came back down to this area, this other flow that caused this market shift. And market came back down and market shift occur right here again. This is where I made this trade. I made this trade around this area. I took out this other flow. I took out this other flow that caused this market shift right here, and also break of structure. I took it out, and the area, caused the liquidity. There's a liquidity before market started moving up. I was waiting, I was waiting for this market to get to this, probably middle of this other flow. But market refused to do that. But I reacted to what market is doing right here. That's good for you. Like, don't wait for God to do what you want. To be honest, might not do it. Like you have to do what market is doing, the market perspective. That's what I used to do though. That's what I used to do. I don't even know probably market will buy right there, but I see what market is doing. Like let market dictate what it's going to do for you. It's like market is talking to you in some kind of way, like and you will react to what it's doing. That's why I reacted to this trade right here. Though I was expecting market not to take out this liquidity, probably market will get it, but when market get it, just sweep it a little bit, just sweep it a little bit. If I sum it out, you will see that sweep like a little bit, and market shift occur right here. Market shift occur right. I thought market will make use of this, other block. There's a supply zone right here. Probably market will make use of it and retrace back to this other floor right here. But market did not do that. Market make use of this after this market shift, this gave a look gap right here. Market reacted to it, then market break this other block. This is the main high to this other floor, to this liquidity sweep. This is the main high. When market took it out, I took out that supply zone now to turn to demand zone, and this other flow as well. There's other flow right here. That's two conferences I see right here. That's why I place my order. I place my order. I can just retrace and just go my way. I was targeting this area. This is where I was targeting, like my previous take profit, this area. I was like, okay, definitely like think market will cause this, break of structure. Like that was why I was targeting this area right here, this break of structure. But when I say, well, there's 1 minute time frame, other block right here in 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. Yeah, there's the other block right here, and there's very look at pastor. There's liquidity. So I thought, no, market will just take this place out. But when I see this reaction, the way market is reacting right here, like I was like, if market take out this low, I'm going to leave this trade. I immediately market get there, like I have to close right here. It's like 1:3. Also, like more than 1:3, probably 3.5 or something. I close this area. I close in this area. And I because of the other block, that's why I saw this. That's why it's so good. That's why it's so good in this area. Market shift occur right here. Market, create a liquidity, then went back to this area that caused this market shift. Another market shift occur right here. And I place my, order. There's very value gap right here, that caused this market shift. I place my move like 1:3, but I break even, in this area, little bit, below my entry market, because market is right now in uptrend, and I don't know what's gonna happen next. That's why, market is right now in uptrend, and I don't know what's gonna happen next. This is good. That's why I break even this trade. That's why I break even. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.